Good morning, dear students. Now different terms and questions are taken from different chapters. First is precipitation reaction. What is precipitation reaction? What is precipitate? Precipitate means insoluble product in any chemical reaction. The method of formation of precipitate is called precipitation reaction. Any chemical process where one product is insoluble in medium is called precipitation reaction and insoluble product is called precipitate, right? For example, barium chloride. When aqueous solution of barium chloride reacts with sulfuric acid solution, aqueous solution of sulfuric acid, one product is insoluble which is barium sulfate, and barium sulfate is white color solid. And second is soluble. Soluble product is hydrochloric acid, BaSO4 and 2HCl. This reaction is precipitation reaction and insoluble product is precipitate. Second is structural isomerism. This term is taken from carbon and its compounds, chapter 4. Structural isomerism. Isomerism is one molecular formula represents different structural arrangements or different structures, right? Structural isomerism, for example, C4H10, C4H10. Two different structures of this molecular formula. One is straight chain or linear structure or unbranched. This is normal butane. Normal means straight chain. Second is isomeric form. Iso means branch. Right? Isoform of butane. This is isobutane. This is normal butane. This is isobutane. Methyl group is present at second carbon. Children, same molecular formula in each case. C4 and H10. In this case also C4, 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 and plus 1 10. These are the structural isomers because their structures are different. Formula is same but structures are different. Next one, fourth and fifth member of carbon compounds represented by this general formula. And general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH, not 10H, 1 OH, right? General formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay? One hydrogen is displaced by OH group, then product is alcoholic group. But what is given in homologous series where all members are represented by one general formula, and general formula is this one. Fourth and fifth member. Fourth means 4 carbon containing and fifth means 5 carbon containing. Children, first member of this formula is methane, CH4, when N is equal to 1. Then formula is CH4. When H is displaced by OH group, then CH3OH. But in case of 4 carbon containing like this, C4H10, when one hydrogen is displaced by OH group, the formula is C4H9OH, butanol. Fourth member and fifth member, one more carbon atom or add CH2 unit. Right? Both are members of same family, alkyl family, derivatives of alkyl family. Next member of 5 carbon containing is C5 and H12. C4H10 plus CH2 is equal to C5H12, but one hydrogen is displaced by OH. H11 OH. Butanol, pentanol. Fourth member and fifth member of carbon compound represented by this general formula. This is first example. Fourth member is this one and fifth member is this one. Common question in this chapter from homologous series. Next one, written is short. The position of three elements is given, which are A, B and C in different groups and different periods. Group 16 element and group 17 elements, right? First period, according to this small section of periodic table, no elements are placed, right? Now in second period, PD is written for period. In second period, A element is placed in 17th group, right? Third period, no element is 16th and 17th. And fourth period, two elements are placed, which are B and C. Okay, children? Common trend, common periodicity from left to right, metallic character decreases, atomic size increases. 17th group elements are electronegative elements, which are known as halogens. 16th group, it means oxygen family, right? General idea of elements in the modern periodic table on the basis of their positions. Answer the following questions, and first question is C. C element is metal or non-metal? Not actual C. Actual C is carbon. C element in this part of the periodic table. C, what is its position? Group 17 and fourth period, right? And halogens are non-metals. Metallic elements are placed in first group, second group, right? Middle part of the periodic table also, from third group till 12th group. But here, which groups are given? 16th and 17th group, which are non-metals. C is metal or non-metal? C is non-metal, right? This one is the correct answer, non-metal. A or C, which element is more reactive? A or C? Children, A and C, both elements are placed in 17th group. 17th group elements are halogens, which are more electronegative in comparison of other elements. And in case of halogens, reactivity decreases from top to bottom as electron gaining tendency decreases. Most non-metallic element is A. Most non-metallic element is A, right? And its position is second period. A or C, reactivity, A is more reactive than C. Like this. Type of ion by C and Y. What is the type of ion? Of 17 group elements, anion. Like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. All halogens, what is their strong tendency? To accept one electrons, right? To complete their octet. In each case, 7 valence electrons are present. Fluorine, its atomic number is 927. Chlorine, its atomic number is 17287. In each case, this is the advantage of the periodic table, modern periodic table. We can predict group number, we can calculate their valencies like this, right? What is the strong tendency of 17 group elements to accept one electron to complete their octet, right? Then type of ion by C and Y. C will form an ion. Why? Because C, all elements are electronegative. C is halogen, and each halogen requires only one electron to complete its octet. Okay, children? C will form an ion because it needs only one electron to complete its octet. One electron. Okay, children? One electron to complete its octet. Right? Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, this is iodine. C represents iodine. Actual element is iodine. Okay, children? Thank you.